Go ahead.
Okay, so like I said Friday, if that is something you want to bring up to the judge, I get it. I understand. That is your right. But like I said, in my professional opinion, going forward with without challenging that incompetency finding is, in my professional opinion, the best way to go, the only way to go. And so if you want to bring up to the court, whether you want to fire me, whether you
I want
want to
what I
put,
want to bring up because they used the excuse of me talking about Freemasons, human trafficking, which I have a right to do so. My First Amendment, provides me that right. Um, and I want you to bring up the voicemail that was left for me because I also got the call logs. The police didn't even put none of that in the call log or in the report about them talking to them guys that I was on the phone with that were threatening me.
so Anthony, let me make this really clear too. I don't disagree that those phone calls happened,
No,
right?
but here's the
I
thing. But that's
I
what
don't
they're
disagree
using.
that.
That's what they're using to say I'm mentally incompetent. So I want my voice heard about that. And I want
And
them to obey the conflict of interest. I want
what
everybody to
conflict of
obey the
interest?
conflict of interest because I have rights as a human being. Because I know a lot of attorneys because Kenley backed down right away when he heard that phone call or that voicemail because he is a Freemason. Um, and that's what I mean. One already backed out because of that voicemail. So why not present it to the
What
court, or
what
why not
conflict of
present
interest
my
are you?
concern that there is uh, a heavy conflict of interest going on with who's handling my case?
What conflict of interest though?
Freemason influence.
And Anthony, this is why I believe that the
It must
Rule
be
20
said. I
is
have a
valid.
right for that. Just
And
all I want to bring up is that in court is that whoever's in my court case or handling my court case, even my wife agrees that um that they obey the conflict of interest because otherwise they're just gonna try to, because that's what I'm seeing, because
so
I'm paying attention to how they're reacting to all this and it just makes no sense. I've never had this much trouble in a criminal case in my life.
so this is what I'm telling you, Anthony, is if there's stuff that you would like to say to the court today, that's fine. If the judge allows you to do it, that's fine.
But
But
I
I am
just want
not
to
going
hear
to.
you, being that you are my public defender, you are being paid to represent me. You will not bring that up for that conflict of interest issue.
Because I do not believe that there is a conflict of interest.
But I believe there is.
And that's why I'm telling you, if you would like to bring that up, you have that right. But I will
So,
not be
then again,
pestered.
you're actually, as an attorney, representing me, that's supposed to be looking, that is supposed to be working for me.
And I understand you
And
don't see
I
that
love.
I
Just
am trying to
let me
work for
finish.
you,
Let me finish
but
my
I am.
statement quick. Let me finish my statement. You, as a public defender who's uh assigned to represent me and to represent my best interest and to voice concerns that are possibly issue in these cases, you're telling me you're gonna deny that right there because you just don't believe it's happening. You're just gonna deny my right, deny that you deny that to bring that up. Like you literally won't bring that up at court.
I believe
Yes or
that the
no?
Rule 20 is what the Rule 20 is.
Yeah,
And
and
that
because I
there's-
sent them that voicemail too, and that's why they put it that I'm mentally incapable. You guys are not
No.
you guys are not respecting the whole conflict of interest deal. You know, because I know the thing about
And
Freemasons, you know, I've looked into them for a long time since I found out about them. So I'm not mentally unstable. You know, I have rights, you know, especially a First Amendment right, freedom of speech, freedom of press, and, you know, I also have rights of, for people to respect my, you know, the issue of conflict of interest because it's being disrespected heavily in my court cases. And you're not going to help me on that at all. You're not even going to voice it like, I would like to request this because there, you know, if anyone is Freemason influenced, I would like to request that the court, you know, respects the conflict of interest and removes them and assigns someone who is not what you call it. That's what
no,
you're telling me.
correct.
Okay, thank you. All right, that's I will be uploading this phone call on social media and on my social media platforms. Okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. Bye.